Want to make some serious cash with your London pad? The average Airbnb host pulls in above £50,000 a year on Airbnb. Stick around and I'll show you how to crush it in 2024 and avoid some common newbie mistakes. If you're new here, we're all about setting you up for success in the short-term rental game, which is why today we're taking a deep dive into Airbnb hosting for beginners. With travel booming again, 2024 is the perfect time for you to jump in. Hosting on Airbnb can seriously boost your income or turn your vacant or long-let property into a profitable business venture. Whether you own a place, have a spare room, or just want to start an Airbnb business, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. Jumping into Airbnb hosting can be super exciting, but it can also be tricky. Many beginners will hit snags when setting up their listing, setting the right prices, or just keeping up with guest messages. Plus, dealing with guest issues and keeping your place up to scratch can be a lot. But don't worry, we've got you back. Some of the common hiccups include making your listing look great, setting prices that attract guests but still make you money, managing guest questions and reviews, and making sure your place is always guest ready. Knowing these challenges up front will set you up for a smoother ride. All right, now let's break down how to create an awesome listing step by step. Snap some high quality photographs because professional Airbnb photography can really make your place pop. Write a killer description, show off what makes your place special and why guests will love it. Check out similar listings in your area and get a feel for what's fair. So for instance, the median daily rate or ADR for London is £196. So use that as a benchmark. Use dynamic pricing tools like Airbnb Smart Pricing to adjust rates based on demand. Use keywords in your title and descriptions to get noticed in searches. Keep your calendar updated and offer flexible check-in and out times to snag more bookings. Did you know that the average occupancy rate in London is 71%? Keeping your calendar flexible can help you hit those numbers. Reply fast to inquiries to boost your chances of getting booked. Give clear check-in and out instructions and house rules for a smooth guest experience. Using tools like AirDNA for market analysis and price optimizations can really help you stay ahead of the game. Quick and clear communication is key to keeping your guests happy and getting great reviews. Now here's the secret sauce for maxing out your bookings and getting great reviews. Give your guests an amazing experience. It's more than just having a clean place. Think welcome baskets, local guides, and just being there to answer any of their questions. Make sure your place is spotless and cozy. Little touches like personalized recommendations or a warm welcome can really make your guests feel at home. Encourage guests to leave reviews and use their feedback to keep improving your hosting game. Remember, there are almost 6,000 superhosts in London alone. Aiming to join their ranks can really boost your credibility. Alright gang, there you have it. Let's do a quick recap of the key points to help you crush it as an Airbnb host in 2024. Start by creating a top-notch listing with great photos and a standout description. Set competitive prices and use dynamic pricing tools. Optimize your listing with the right keywords and keep your calendar updated. Communicate promptly and clearly with your guests. And finally, focus on giving exceptional guest experiences to rack up those positive reviews and boost bookings. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way towards Airbnb hosting success. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Airbnb hosting tips. If you're curious to see how much you can earn with your property, just click the link in the description for a free estimate. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful and drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.